you've got what you want.
Hi! Welcome back to my channel, and this is Glamaris, and for today's video it's about skincare, and I know this is very important. All of us ay kailangan ito, at iyon ay ang baliktad, AHC UV Sun Protection. This is the AHC Natural Perfection Double Shield Sun Stick. And let's do the unboxing. So I got this from Korea, and it comes with a free facial foam. So now let's open this one. Epic fail. Okay, nalaglag po siya. And this is it. So squeeze nyo lang siya para ma-dispense yung product, and it's ready to go. So make sure na natatandaan nyo kung saan nyo iniswipe ang product kasi para hindi maging patchy. Forehead and down to my neck. Dami yun na rin ang neck kasi important na pantay at least, diba? Good thing about this kind of sun stick, you can really apply it anytime, anywhere. Like literally, because you know, when you're outside, sometimes di ka na makapaghugas ng kamay. You can't wash your hand, you can't wash your face. At least you can wipe your face first if you want to reapply this, and you can just apply the product anytime. So super convenient nito para sa akin. And yun talaga nagustuhan ko sa produktong ito. Nahiyang ko siya. Yun lang naman eh. Hiyang-hiyangan lang naman din sa product na yan eh. You'll never know till you try, and I'm happy when I tried this. Wow, it's super amazing. Hindi ako nagkaka-pimples masyado, and it's really good na protection sa face ko. I remember when we did the Rugby World Cup Japan, oh my, we were sitting outside like around 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. and just 12 noon, like yun yung kasagsagan ng kainitan na araw. But I was so happy. Medyo hindi na pantay yung katawan ko, yung kulay ko, pero yung face ko ang nanatiling medyo maputi. Hindi ako nangitim, hindi nangitim yung mukhang part ko, and I'm super happy kasi 'di ba, of course, with all the skincare you're using, dapat naman talaga ingatan ang face kasi nga it's important. This was 21,000 won in Korea, and I got this Shikor, and you can easily buy this anywhere sa Korea. Hindi siya mahirap hanapin na product na nasa isang store lang. Nasa lahat siya ng store. Nasa Olive Young siya. But of course, hindi siya masyadong kumpleto. Yung iba walang stock. And I really recommend this sunscreen. I am reapplying my sunblock every after 30 minutes to 40 minutes to 1 hour. But definitely every 30 minutes para talagang secured ang aking face look. And one good thing about this AHC sunblock, hindi siya oily sa mukha ko. I'm serious. Hindi siya talaga nag-o-oil sa mukha ko even if oily ako. Of course, from time to time may mga oil pa rin talaga tayo, hindi maiwasan na mukha natin yan. Pero hindi ako nag-o-oil big time. Kaya ko siya nagustuhan. Para lang siyang natural na skin ko na medyo, you know, glowy, glossy, ganun. And let's talk about the smell. Medyo scented siya, but yung bumibili ako ng sunblock sa Korea, yung naghahanap ako ng sunblock, my golly, nahilo talaga ako kakaamoy ng mga sunblock. Kasi nga, the scent is very important for me. Kasi syempre, ilalagay mo sa mukha mo yan, maghapon mong isusuot yan, lalo na sa ilong, and everything. So, the scent is very important for me. Yun yung consider ko talaga in buying sunblock. Kaya, itong amoy na to, super gusto. Parang siyang bagong shower. Really just mild and just really fresh. Sarap. So, this is made in Korea, 14 grams. And I think matagal-tagal mo na rin siyang gagamitin. Ang kagandahan sa product na to is may libre. So, itong foam cleanser na to ay libre lamang nung nabili ko si sunblock. So, that's really a good deal, right? So, don't forget your sunblock, especially ngayon na summertime here in the Philippines. And thank you so much for watching my video. This is Glamaris. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. What's your favorite sunblock? Maybe mahiyang ko din yan and I wanna gaya-gaya again. Thank you so much for watching. Keep smiling and stay glamorous. Bye.